Hello and welcome back to my channel RA Education. I am your mentor Rishba. Again I am here with very interesting topic. Do you know? What does it mean by microscope? So, let's get started. My friends, a microscope is a laboratory instrument used to examine objects that are too small to be seen by the naked eye. Microscopy is the science of investigating small objects and structures using a microscope. Microscopic means being invisible to the eye unless aided by a microscope. Do you know? What are the 5 different types of microscopes? Number 1 is stereo microscope. Number 2 is compound microscope. Number 3 is inverted microscope. Number 4 is metallurgical microscope. Number 5 is polarizing microscope. Dear students, microscopes are very important because they are the tools that allow us to look more closely at objects, seeing beyond what is visible with the naked eye. Without them, we would have no idea about the existence of cells or how plants breathe or how rocks change over time. Well, that's all we have for you today. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below. Subscribe to the button. Hit the notification bell. If you have any question, feel free to contact me and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, my friends.